You have a star on your face, Chezzy. How did it get there? Are you going to take it off? Yes? No? I mean, don't you want to eat it? Hmm? I mean, do you want to eat your star? You got something. No, you don't want me to take it off? Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. It's stuck to your hand now, Chezzy. Look, right there. Right there. Come on. Oh! Where'd it go now? It's in your hair. Look. There it is. Get it. Hey, get it out of your hair. Come on, let's take it out of your hair. There we go. Hey, look, look. Look, over there. Yay! You ate it, Chezzy. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, good boy.